everyone, welcome back to our channel. So what did we discuss yesterday? Okay, first let's go on that. We discussed कि Bank Nifty में last week with the doji, current week में whenever I told you doji means indecision. Decision मतलब कि someone is going to win. 5 days कोई जीता नहीं था. And I am guaranteeing you आज का जो expiry है उसमें lot of people would have died by selling calls. I'll tell you why. See, because what happens? This current week, okay, जो भी current week था, first of all we had a holiday on Monday. People like me, okay, they took positions on Friday and directly came on Tuesday and Wednesday they expire. So I think I'm guaranteeing you, okay, because I've seen this happen multiple times, guaranteeing you, a lot of traders because they think short weekend है, they think दोनों साइड के ऑप्शंस will sell and just sit. That's the strategy for short weeks. Now I don't know exactly किसका क्या हुआ है, but I'm guaranteeing you all non-directional traders positionally this week they are in loss purely because of today's move. Okay, till yesterday also there was superb decay and we did miss that decay on the call side. Okay, so whenever I miss a decay मेरे को कोई बुरा नहीं लगता है, कुछ फोमो नहीं होता है मुझे, क्योंकि मेरे जर्नल में मुझे पता है अगर मैंने स्ट्रैंगल मारा मेरा लॉस होने, तो इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग लॉसेस आई वुड रादर प्रेफर कि मेरा अपॉर्चुनिटी जो है अपॉर्चुनिटी लॉस हो, मुझे चलेगा, बट आई वांट टू ऑलवेज विन एट एनी कॉस्ट. तो सेम लॉजिक से दिस वीक yesterday I told you this doji का breakout had come on the upside, so the bias is bullish. So what happened to traders like us? This is exactly where traders positional traders like us, okay, this is where we have our edge. So everything we discussed this week, okay, has worked perfectly well. Okay, so I told you even in the rectangle, while this rectangle was being made, I told you I don't care, okay, if I lose the move, if no move, I'm okay making less money, but I don't want to be caught. So when we got the breakout of the rectangle, I was pretty sure the put sales are going to go to zero. And I told you yesterday, I think, when check, yeah, so we predicted 49,700 puts or 49,800 puts to go to zero. So आज गए, okay, वो easily, no problem, they didn't even double, no spike, nothing. Basically, what I want you to know, okay, from this is two things I think you should learn. If you do write down, by the way, whatever me and Nikita discuss, I think you should add it to your journal. That the short weeks, okay, they are very deceptive. अपने को लगता है कि जल्दी beta day is going to be very quick because one day का holiday है, but ये और भी ज्यादा they screw you. I remember very well the last time there was a weekend, या तो उसके पहले वाला, I don't recall exactly which one, उसमें market opened only with a big gap. So any non-directional triangle seller would have been trapped that day. Okay, so by noticing these small things, okay, you can avoid some losses, which we did today. Now let's go to the daily chart. Okay, now what can we see? Now first thing we've been discussing since a lot of days, this red candle's high, okay, this data was immaterial for us, okay, because we were trading inside this range. When market is trading inside this big candle, this is irrelevant for us. But now we have a superb data point now because we have closed above that successfully. This tells me that we are bullish, okay, in Bank Nifty for now. Secondly, मुझे क्या दिख रहा है Bank Nifty में? We do discuss the candle, right, and chart pattern वगैरह. तो मुझे इसमें क्या दिख रहा है? मुझे दिख रहा है clear all time high का strongest closing है ये. That does not mean कि guaranteed ऊपर जाने वाला है वो, but probability is aligned with us that it has to go up now. So it can come down also, and sometimes all time high से बड़ा quickly भी it falls down. So we'll put conditions on it and we'll discuss the bearish scenario as well. Okay, but first let's finish the bullish scenario. मुझे क्या दिख रहा है? दो चीजें are very positive for me. The closing of today is above the closing of the red candle's high. It's also the biggest ever closing, highest ever closing on the daily time frame. This never is bearish. Okay, this thing by nature it is bullish. Whenever something is going up now, you can't predict, okay, that is going to come down. You have to go with the flow. Okay, so our bias becomes bullish again. तो आज भी हमारा बायस बुलिश है और हम कंडीशंस देखेंगे अभी बेरिश कब खेलना है उसके लिए. नाउ आई एम ड्राइंग टू लेवल्स. वन वाज द प्रीवियस ऑल टाइम हाई, सेकंड वाज द रेड कैंडल्स हाई, दैट गैप डाउन डे, इवेंट डे. ओके, सो मार्केट एनी टाइम नाउ इट हैज गिवन द ऑल टाइम हाई क्लोजिंग हियर. ओके, सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन? मोस्ट लाइकली मार्केट एक्चुअली शुड बी प्रोटेक्टिंग टुडेज लो. व्हेनेवर market tries to come down, ideally speaking there should be a support here and then market should go up. And then if it comes down, it's going to be an M pattern. So is M पे we can trade then. Okay, this is what moving forward I think I see. Logically also you आप सोचो, मतलब अगर यहाँ पे breakout हुआ है, ठीक है, अगर breakout हो गया simple, think logically, तो आपने assume करो आपने ये move miss किया है. Okay, so how many points you missed? You missed approximately 1400 points. Okay, you didn't make 1 rupee also. Just assume that. So what will people like you do? Okay, in FOMO, anyone who has FOMO, they'll try to buy whenever market comes down. So एक बार क्या हो सकता है, मार्केट वापस ऊपर जाए, and then if market has to go down, then it may go down. Okay, so if it comes down, our bias is going to be buy on dip scenario for now. एंड आज के लो के नीचे बिलो बिलो 5500 बिल्कुल भी हम बुलिश नहीं खेलेंगे। हम अगर आज के लो के नीचे जाता है मार्केट, देन हो सकता है कि दिस मूव मे बी अ ट्रैप मूव। देन बिलो दिस व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले बेरिश ओनली इफ वी गेट सच काइंड ऑफ अ कैंडल। दिस आई एम टॉकिंग फ्रॉम टेक्निकल पर्सपेक्टिव। नाउ व्हाट मे हैपन, अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू टुमारो। नाउ आगे चल के क्या हो सकता है ना, आई डिस्कस वन थिंग। फर्स्ट यहाँ पे देखो, एक तो ये है, सेकेंडली अपने पास ये वाला है। So these two situations, observe them. So market has hit all time high. उसके बाद 4-5 days okay it doesn't move. Okay, same thing again it hit all time high नीचे जाने के बाद, तो यहाँ पे भी 4-5 दिन का सेलिंग आया. Okay, तो इट्स नॉट कि ऑल टाइम हाई जैसे ही टूटता है, एंड यहाँ पे तो कैंडल भी अच्छी थी काफी ऑन 29 अप्रैल. तो इट्स नॉट कि लाइक इट्स कि पॉज आ ही नहीं सकता है. सो पॉज कैन ऑल्सो कम. So ideally what I'll do, my bias will be today's candles high and low I'm going to mark. Okay, so inside this range I'm going to try to play non-directional or with a put bias, like bullish bias. So whenever it goes above this candles high, I'll play a bullish bias. Whenever it goes below this candles low, I'll play a bearish bias. So my data point has shifted to this current day's candle now. Okay, so we need ideally a very strong closing. Again we need one more closing above today's high. So वो हो गया तो बैंक निफ्टी और भी मस्त बुलिश हो जाएगा, एंड वी मे लाइक गिव अ क्विक अप मूव आल्सो ऑन द अपसाइड. अभी बेरिश सिनेरियो बात करते हैं. बेरिश इन द सेंस मार्केट इज कमिंग डाउन. ओके, सो मार्केट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई टोल्ड यू इसके नीचे यू गोइंग टू प्ले बेरिश, बट सैडली इधर इसमें क्या है, पर्टिकुलरली इन दिस एग्जांपल we just have a rectangle का retest here. Even if market comes down here 5200 तक मेरा अगर bearish move खेलना है ना, मुझे मेरा ये मिस हो जाएगा ये, क्योंकि मुझे वहां तक मुझे लगने वाला है कि अभी सपोर्ट ही आएगा वहां पे. So even if market, let's say market has to correct 4000 5000 points, so I am going to miss this 1000 points of mine, and I'm totally fine with it. Okay, so simple support resistance, multiple times this was taking resistance, so this should turn into a support. So whenever it comes down, we are going to play for a support W breakout. ओके, यहाँ पे ओके. तो वी स्पोक अबाउट नीचे आएगा तो क्या करना है. वी स्पोक की साइडवेज इफ इट ओपन्स व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. साइडवेज आई एम गोइंग टू लाइक इन दिस जोन मी मार्केट कैन लाइक 2-3 days spend time here again and then eventually go up. So and upside में what we are going to do, above today's high I'll just keep rolling my puts over. जो भी put sell करूंगा मैं उसमें I'll just keep rolling them up. And we can maintain a strict stop loss, okay, because put side mein we don't want to lose a lot. Maximum of 0.5% of our capital. The moment it hits, we'll get out of the puts for the next week. Okay, for me the next week has already started because Bank Nifty की expiry खत्म हो गई है. So this is the favorite and the best index for us. Now let's talk about Nifty. So let's go on the weekly chart पहले. So Nifty पे what did we discuss? We discussed this was an event week. Event week के ऊपर we got a closing. So again, this means a bullish bias for us, okay, because we closed above the weekly that event week high. अब क्या देख रहे हैं हम, उसके ऊपर भी कैंडल क्लोज हो गई है हमारी, बट दिस इज नॉट अ गुड फॉर्मेशन. निफ्टी में जो फॉर्मेशन है ना वीकली कैंडल का, दैट्स नॉट ग्रेट. इट्स फॉर्मिंग अ दोजी. तो दोजी में व्हाट हैपेंस, एनी टाइम यू सी अ दोजी ना, उसका ब्रेकआउट ट्रेड करो बस आप, ठीक है, सिंपल. उसमें ज्यादा कुछ दिमाग नहीं लगाना है. निफ्टी में डेली चार्ट पर व्हाट कैन वी सी, डेली चार्ट पर आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज ग्रेट फॉर निफ्टी. It's actually very bad. This whatever this happening. If Nifty also had a very strong candle today, no, I would be like very bullish in this video. But I'm not that because Nifty का जो candle है अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे. So this is a bearish engulfing candle, which indicates that market may come down. So Nifty में like what we are going to do, we are purely going to go on 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame पे you are going to draw this trend line. अब ये trend line देखो आज भी ना, let's just count how many times. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. Now galti se bhi na, don't try to buy Nifty here on this trend line again. If it comes down, no, let it close like one candle below this and it's going to zoom down then. बहुत quickly it will go down. So I'm very cautious in Nifty क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है कि Nifty might come down. So I don't know how those indices are going to react. Now what we are indication we are getting a bullish indication from Bank Nifty. We are getting a bearish indication from Nifty. Of course, if this like a trend line breaks, then only a bearish thing will get activated. And yesterday also I told you, ये trend line के breakout पे ही take the trade. See this kind of bearish move, I told you, I am okay missing it. मुझे नहीं चाहिए हर एक move. I don't want to capture because if I go to capture that, I might lose 10 times more. Okay, so whatever we are discussing in this video, most of it, like you know, the accuracy of our analysis is very good. I don't see this kind of accuracy on any other channel. Now, also what I'm seeing in Nifty. ये देखो एक राइजिंग चैनल है, ठीक है. ये राइजिंग चैनल के ब्रेकडाउन्स आर वेरी पावरफुल. तो दिस बी रेडी टू प्ले अ बेरिश मूव इन निफ्टी. अपसाइड में अगर निफ्टी लगे ना आपको तो ज्यादा प्ले मत करो मेरे हिसाब से. अपसाइड डोंट बी लाइक सुपर बुलिश इन निफ्टी. इट वोंट बी ऑफ टू मच यूज. according to me, and I may be wrong as well. Okay, so I think that was it for this analysis for our video. Thank you so much to everyone who comments below our videos. Like, you are a big like boost for our morale, and if you are getting any value from these videos, please consider sharing them and liking the videos. See, the more the subscribers increase, okay, I promise you I'll do like live trading also with all of you, but the subscribers count increase first, and we can do a lot of stuff then. Matlab, the moment like I know people are interested, for sure we'll start doing much more stuff. Okay, so I wish you the very best for tomorrow and have a great day ahead, and I'll see you very soon. Okay, bye bye.